Security Guard's Creed. As a security guard, my fundamental duty is to protect lives and properties and maintain order within the vicinity or place of duty. Protect the interests of my employer and our clients, and the security and stability of our government and country without compromise and prejudice. Honest in my actions, words, and thoughts. And do my best to uphold the principle, makadiyos, makabayan, at makatao. Ethical standard. As security guard, his fundamental duty is to serve the interest or mission of his agency in compliance with the contract entered into with the clients or customers of the agency he is to serve. Thus, number 1, he shall be honest in thoughts and deeds, both in his official actuations, obeying the laws of the land, and the regulations prescribed by his agency and those established by the company he is supposed to serve. Number 2, he shall not reveal any confidential matter committed to him as a security guard, and such other matter imposed upon him by law. Number 3, he shall act at all times with decorum and shall not permit personal feelings, prejudice, and undue friendship to influence his operation and the performance of his official functions. Number 4, he shall not compromise with criminal and other lawless elements to the prejudice of the clients or customers, and shall assist government relentless strive against lawlessness and other forms of criminality. Number 5, he shall carry out his assigned duties as required by law to the best of his ability, and shall safeguard life and property of the establishment he is assigned to. Number 6, he shall wear his uniform, badge, patches, and insignia properly as a symbol of public trust and confidence as an honest and trustworthy security guard, watchman, and private detective. Number 7, he shall keep his allegiance first to the government he is assigned to serve with loyalty and utmost dedication. Number 8, he shall progressively and diligently familiarize himself with the rules and regulations laid down by his agency and those of the customers or clients. Number 9, he shall at all times be courteous, respectful, and salute his superior officers, government officials, and officials of the establishment he is assigned to and the company he is supposed to serve. Number 10, he shall report for duty always in proper uniform and neat in his appearance. And 11, he shall learn at heart and strictly observe the laws and regulations governing the use of firearms. Code of Conduct. Number 1, he shall carry with him at all times during his tour of duty his license, identification card, and duty detail order with an authority to carry firearm. Number 2, he shall not use his license and privileges to the prejudice of the clients or customers, the public, and his agency. Number 3, he shall not engage in any unnecessary conversations with anybody except on the discharge of his work, and shall at all times keep himself alert during his tour of duty. Number 4, he shall not read newspapers, magazines, books, etc. while actually performing his duties. Number 5, he shall not drink any intoxicating liquor immediately before or during his tour of duty. Number 6, he shall know the location of the alarm box near his post and sound the alarm in case of fire and disorder. Number 7, he shall know how to operate any fire extinguisher at his post. Number 8, he shall know the location of the telephone and telephone number of the police precincts, as well as the telephone number of the fire station in the locality. Number 9, he shall immediately notify the police in case of any sign of disorder, strike, riot, or any serious violations of the law. Number 10, he or his group of guards shall not participate or integrate any disorder, strike, riot, or any serious violations of the law. Number 11. He shall assist the police in the preservation and maintenance of peace and order and in the protection of life, property, having in mind that the nature of his responsibilities is similar to that of the latter. Number 12. He shall familiarize himself with the Private Security Agency Law RA 5487 as amended and the PNP SAGSD implementing rules and regulations. Number 13. When issued a pass, he should not lend his pass to anybody. Number 14. He shall always in proper uniform and shall always carry with him his basic requirements and equipments such as writing notebook, ballpen, nightstick, baton, and radio. He shall endeavor at all times to merit and be worthy of the trust and confidence of the agency he represents and the client he serves. 11GO. To take charge of this post and all government property in view. To walk my post in a military manner, keeping always on the alert and observe everything that takes place within sight or hearing. To report all violations of orders and instructed to enforce. To repeat all calls from post more distance from the guardhouse than my own. To quit my post only when properly relieved. To receive, obey, and pass to the sentinel who relieves me all orders from the commanding officer, officer of the day, and non-commissioned officer of the guard only. 7. To talk to no one except in line of duty. 8. To give an alarm in case of fire and disorder. And 9. To call the commander after relief in any case not covered by the instruction. Number 10. To salute all colors, to salute all officers, all colors, and standard not east. Number 11. To be especially watchful at night and during the time of challenging, to challenge all person on or near my post and allow no one to pass without proper authority.